Assalam-o-Alaikum, dear students. Welcome to our course Introduction to Language Studies. In today's lecture, we will discuss language families and see what they are, why they matter, and some important examples from around the world. What is a language family? If we want to know what is meant by language family, a language family is a group of languages that come from same ancestor language called proto-language. As human beings have a relation with their parents and ancestors, so have the languages. So which ancestor the language belongs and what a relation between different languages is called language family. Just like human family has parents and children, language family has ancestor language and related daughter languages. So like human beings, languages have also relations. There's mother language and there are daughter languages. For example, English, German and Dutch, they are daughter languages and belong to Proto-Germanic language family. So they have a same ancestors. Why this is important? Why languages families are learned? What is benefit of learning these languages? Learning language families helps linguists study how languages are connected. It explains similarities in vocabulary and grammar. For example, in English, word mother. In German, Mutter. Urdu, ma. Hindi, mata. Punjabi, ma. So these all belong to same family. These all languages belong to one language family, that is Indo-European. Now let's talk about some major language families. Indo-European language family. This is the largest language family. It includes English, French, Urdu, Hindi, Persian, Russian, and so on. There are daughter languages as well, daughter families that belong to this main family. These are Germanic, Romance, Indo-Aryan, Slavic. So these are subfamilies of this Indo-European language family. And other family, Sino-Tibetan language family, include Mandarin, Chinese, Cantonese, Tibetan, and Burmese languages belong to this family. Another major language family is Afro-Asiatic family. Arabic, Hebrew, and Amharic. These languages belong to Afro-Asiatic language family. Another language family is Niger-Congo, one of the biggest language family in Africa. It includes Swahili, Yoruba, and Zulu. Another major language family is Dravidian or Dravidian that is spoken in the southern part of India. For example, language like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, they belong to Dravidian family. Another language family that is Altic, though linguists are divided in their opinion about this language. This family includes Turkish, Mongolic, Korean, and so on. We have discussed different languages. Now let's know it through tree diagram. As we mentioned in previous slides, that Indo-European language is one of the largest language family. Germanic language is daughter of this language and then English. So similarly, Indo-European language has another daughter family that is Indo-Aryan and Urdu belong to this family. So both English and Urdu belong to Indo-European language through Germanic and Indo-Aryan families. Arabic belongs to Afro-Asiatic. Now try to understand this concept through tree diagram. Look at this tree. So this is a Indo-European language, and it has two major branches, and some of the languages belong to one part and others to the other one. Let's have another look. Indo-European language. So the Germanic language and Aryanic. So these language, Bengali and Hindi, belong to one family. Spanish, English, and uh, Germanic belong to another family. So if we could have a more closer look, this Germanic language family has English, French, Germanic, so and Romance family has a Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish, and there are other families. And look at this one, Bengali belong to one family, and Hindi and belong to another family. So is Urdu. So through this tree we can understand how these languages are interlinked. So let's recall or recap what we have said. A language family means a group of languages with common ancestors. Most world languages belong to 7 to 8 language families. English and Urdu both belong to Indo-European language family, though they belong to different branches of languages. So we can conclude that language families help us understand how human languages are connected like branches of a tree. In next video, I will discuss historical linguistics and study how language changed over time. Please like this video and share it with your fellows who are learning language studies. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you may get notification of our coming videos. Thank you. Take care. See you next time.